welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna do something that I have never done before. I'm gonna color my hair at my house. I didn't know this day would ever come, but I'm getting paid for this. Okay, so I have to use the L'Oreal Paris Casting Creme Gloss hair color. I've never used a box color before, seriously. So it's actually a brand shoot that I'm gonna do for my Instagram, but I thought why not vlog it. I'm really not sure if I'm supposed to post it, like if I can post it or not. Let's see, but I'm like ready to take chances because I think this was something worth vlogging and telling you about. So right now I have oiled my hair because of another brand video. Now the thing is that I have to make a whole reel and video about the process. Also I have to film this vlog, so I don't know how I'm gonna do both of these things together, but I'm like so excited and also very nervous because like what if I ruin it or something. By the way, the color that I have chosen is 632 light golden brown. Hair looks pretty much black on the roots right now. The rest of my hair is pretty much goldenish and it has a lot of highlights, so I don't know if this is gonna like even it all out and make a normal like a brownish color, or it will increase the highlights into a different color and the other hair in a different color. I have no clue. We'll just have to wait and watch. So apparently you can use this color on darker hair colors also. I think I'm kind of late right now, so I'm just gonna take you to where I shoot. We'll just see how it goes from there. Let's go. So guys, this is where I shoot. It's just a new room. It has literally nothing, just everything is out of place. I'm not gonna show you, but the thing is it has a nice white wall and great lighting, as you can see. That's why I use it for brand videos. It's amazing. The only problem is that it's really hot. Like it's so hot. I'm just standing here for 2 seconds without the fan and I am sweating bricks. All my makeup just melts off in this room. It's just anyways, so here's my camera. I use this camera for shooting. Okay, first we'll read the instructions that were given in the box. We have got 3 things: this color, okay, and then we have this developer and a shine mask is like a conditioner that actually enhances and increases the color saturation. So what I have to do is put this color in the bottle, apply it and keep it for 30 minutes and we're done. And we're done. Just 30 minutes. I just know it's not gonna take me 30 minutes including everything else that I have to do, but yeah, whatever. I have to keep wearing these gloves at all times. First I have to wet my hair and towel dry, put sections in my hair and then apply this color section wise and then massage it all throughout the hair. Then just keep it for 30 minutes. And if I have gray hair, I do have gray hair, I'm gonna leave it for like 35. Then I have to rinse the color off and then apply this mask and we'll be done. First thing I have to do is wear this damn bathrobe in this freaking heat, and this is a white bathrobe. I'm so scared I'm gonna put color on this and it's gonna get ruined forever because I use it in so many videos. I really hope it doesn't get ruined. I will try my best, but I can't say. I hope it washes out. So I have put on this damn bathrobe and I'm dying from heat. I will literally melt over here. So let's start. I've already shot the first part where I do like a before thing, like show my before hair. I've done that already. I'll be sitting here the whole time because the whole thing is exhausting, to be honest. And I'm also gonna put on a cooler and a fan so that I don't die. Maybe I won't talk much because you won't hear anything. What the hell is... Firstly, I have to get all my hair wet and bathroom is right there, so I'm gonna come in like 2 seconds. I am so worried about my robe, like it's gonna get so dirty because I'm super messy, super clumsy, like I hate it. I have to show a few strands, like color a few strands in front of the camera for the brand. Then I'll do the rest of it with you guys. Guys, I have a feeling I messed up like big time. So I'm gonna do like proper sectioning like normal people and just hope that it is colored evenly, or else I'm so like done. To be honest with you guys, I love my highlights so much, but I'm kind of sad that they'll be gone, or maybe not, who knows. I've never used this before. Guys, I'm sweating like a pig, so I'm just gonna put on the fan. Here's some music for you guys. Okay, there's stains on my robe already. Like, I am super freaking sad. Like, this is a disaster. But also I'm really confused because on the box it said that you have to use the whole thing, but it's like a lot of it is remaining, like almost half of it is left. So what do I even do? Maybe I apply it like on the back. Also, they've asked to like massage so that it reaches everywhere. This is the part I want to color the most, the roots. My hair is already so dark. I just want my highlights to stay alive. I have to apply it like everywhere, especially on the roots, because my roots were significantly darker, like really dark. So like 1 minute is almost left and I am panicking because all these stains have turned so dark. It's not the light golden brown. Oh my god. To be honest, I was already looking for a change. Like last week only, I was talking to my friend about like wanting a different hair color, and she was suggesting go for like a ginger or yellowish copper ginger color. That's what I was trying to go for, but then this situation came in and I thought why not look at this. Oh my god, I think I have to throw it out, right? Anyways, I was saying I was gonna do like a ginger copper kind of color, and this thing came through, and now I have to do brown. They had a few options and I chose this one because I went with the safe option, that is the light golden brown, and I don't know. I'm so scared. Okay, so I'm just gonna go and wash my hair. Oh. Guys, ignore the noise outside. It's raining a lot. Okay, right now I don't know for sure because I will only know when my hair is fully dry, but right now I can still see a little bit of my highlights, so they are not gone. Highlights are still there, and the whole head has turned into a very beautiful brown. I think I'm just gonna go apply that conditioner thing and just come back. Guys, this is so beautiful. Oh my god. Okay, so it just actually kind of enhanced my whole color. It's just darker, more prettier brown and much less yellow brassy, and my hair is so shiny right now. This is so good. In person, like in the mirror, it looks incredible. मेरा एक issue था कि मेरे जो ये वाले सारे बाल थे, they were like very brassy and अजीब, and roots पूरे खराब हो गए थे यहाँ तक. That has been solved. I honestly don't know why I didn't do it before. I was always scared of box colors and box dyes. I always thought that they kind of ruin your hair and they do nothing. But I'm so glad that I did this, and I feel like I can use it for touch-ups and all. I love it. On the box, it said that it stays for around 32-35 shampoo washes. So that's a lot of washes. Anyways, I really hope you liked the color and the vlog. If you did, then please don't forget to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such content. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.